Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is core inflation. Now, core inflation is when you strip out energy and food costs, which are completely stupid to me because I'm a human being and I have to have energy and I have to have food, but it's generally considered to be more stable and a more representation of the true inflation that's happening with the economy. It's a removal of the consumer price index. This core inflation number is used by the Federal Reserve and economists to determine if there's inflation and a targeted inflation level. Now, you already heard my commentary. I think it's completely stupid, but who cares what I think? Today's word is core inflation, and that's when they strip out food and energy cost inflation to determine the cost of goods and services, what that inflation number looks like.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.